Hey guys, Jamey Caldwell here from 1 Minute Out. You know, in 21 plus years that I spent in special operations, not only was it important to have the right rifle, the right pistol, the right night vision, it was also very important to us to have the right eye protection. You know, when we go down range, protecting your vision and protecting your eyesight is just as important as protecting your whole body and protecting your mates. So we would always utilize, my entire career, I did nothing but utilize Oakley eyewear. And there's a reason for it. Oakley just makes the best eyewear that's out there. They listen to us when we have changes or different adaptations that we want to make to the specific lenses or frames. The latest is Oakley's new M frame 3.0. The 3.0 is offered on the Special Operations Eyewear Program, and it's also authorized in the Army Eyewear Program for use. What it provides you is super thin earpieces, so it works with all your over-ear protection. It's got the unobtainium nose sock, so it stays fitted to your face even when you're sweating. It's not going to slip off. And of course, the most important is the wide field of view that we can see through these, and the ballistic protection. Not only the ballistic protection, it meets all the ANSI standards for the lens, but we have ballistic protection on the frame. Because what good is your lens when your frame is not there? If your frame takes a hit and cracks and falls away, your lens won't be there to continue to protect your eyes and protect your vision. So ensure that you've got good eyewear when you go downrange. That 3.0 kit in the Special Operations Program comes with a nice case, and it comes with multiple lenses. So you get your clear lens, which is great for all your low light night operations. You have an amber lens, which again is great for any of your low light operations. You've got a gray lens for when you've got those bright sunny days out there and you're operating out during the day. And then what's unique about this kit is you get the laser lens. So this is gonna help protect your vision when you're working in and around lasers. We've all got lasers on our weapon systems for targeting. If you take a hit to your eyes with any of those lasers, they're non-eye safe when they're in anything other than that low power mode. We need to make sure that we're protecting our eyes, not only ballistically, but we're also protecting them from any laser damage that can happen. So the next time you guys are out there and you're looking for your eyewear to run around with, make sure that you guys check out the 3.0 system from Oakley.